Salesforce Flows automate business processes on top of Salesforce to improve user efficiency, process consistency, and data quality. In the Flow Builder in Salesforce, admins create screen flows to direct users through a business process. A flow can have a number of screens and different logic paths. To automate the testing of these processes, we have created the Flow Screen Salesforce test step. After selecting the flow, you choose the next expected screen, and then complete the inputs on each of the screens. Then, sequencing together all the expected screens in a flow path, you can automate the testing of a path in a screen flow. Once complete, you can see the test automation in action. As a customized business process that users rely on, it's important to regularly test Salesforce flows. Thanks for watching.